Still coughing after 3 weeks? It might not be just a cold. It starts like any normal cough. But if it lingers, it could point to something more serious than you think. Honestly, I kept brushing it off until I realized it wasn't going away on its own. Double tap if you've had a cough that just wouldn't quit. It might be bronchitis. Cough lasting over 3 weeks? Is it dry or turning into mucus? Do you feel chest tightness or fatigue? Mild fever or wheezing? Time to see a doctor. Sip warm tea with honey. Avoid smoking in dusty air. Rest and hydrate, don't push through it. Tight chest, dry cough, and lingering fatigue. Have you ever ignored symptoms that lasted too long?